how does it support multiple entities? And I know that there's this node tag in the pipelines where I can say like, okay, I can have specific pipelines running on specific agents. And so the question was basically like, is that also covered in the autoscaler so that I can have multiple types of instances, autoscaling different machines? As said, in our case, it's mainly about graphics support. And
yes. So the autoscaler, each autoscaler, you can have multiple autoscalers, but they will only launch one type of runner for you, one type of instance.
Mm-hmm.
So that's just an important limitation. So you can have multiple, but they can only launch a specific
But you can have
instance.
one drone server that connects to multiple autoscalers, and they can basically then set up multiple types of agents that.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep, you can have as many as you need. I don't think it's the autoscaler. You know what? I should go investigate. I don't remember the direction of communication. The autoscaler, yeah, we can come back to that. So I want to make sure I'm answering this well. So yes, you can have multiple types of runners. You can have autoscaler launch those for you. So then what you use as a built-in capability in drone, runner labels and routing, pipeline routing. So let's look, see if I can find this all. Yeah, so when you, in the autoscaler, you can define environment variables that are passed to the runner when the runner starts, or when the autoscaler starts your runners. One of those variables you'd want to be drone runner labels, and those labels can be comma separated like this. Then in your drone pipeline, you would put in a node parameter, and then you'd have
exactly. That's the one that I know, and that was only the question, like how does that connect to autoscaler? And if you like,
okay,
I understood you could confirm that. Yes, you can have either multiple autoscaler or have an autoscaler start multiple types of instances and give them different of these drone runner labels. And so this workflow with having graphics machines and non-graphics machines could be separated or like orchestrated with these tags, drone runner labels and the node tags in the pipeline.
Yes, that would be the way to do it. And
okay.
I could find the variable. There is a specific variable that you would use. Configuration reference, environ, I think it is, drone agent environ. I think that's it. Optional string map provides a set of environment variables. I don't think this is a good example. I think this is the variable. This would be drone agent environ, and then that would be like this. Runner labels would be one of the environment variables passed into it. I'm 90% sure that's correct. So hopefully that makes sense.
No, for me, it's asset is I just need to like describe it well for our operations. And so I want to have at least like enough understanding of, that's why thank you for answering that part.
No problem.